Carbon fiber-loaded ESD vinyl flooring tiles are known for combining durability with flexibility, making them a great choice for environments requiring anti-static properties without sacrificing resilience. Here are a few aspects regarding their flexibility. Material flexibility. PVC material enhances the flexibility of ESD vinyl tiles while maintaining strength. This makes the tiles easier to install over uneven surfaces or in areas where minor movement or expansion might occur without causing cracking or warping. Bend without breakage. Vinyl, being naturally pliable, allows carbon fiber-loaded tiles to be flexed to a certain degree without risking breakage. This is particularly useful for installations in rooms with complex layouts, as the tiles can adjust around edges and irregularities. Resistance to buckling. The flexibility helps prevent buckling, especially in areas with frequent temperature changes or heavy traffic. This quality allows the tiles to maintain a consistent surface, helping to keep ESD properties intact over time. Maintenance of ESD properties. Even though they are flexible, the conductive carbon fibers ensure stable anti-static performance, as the tiles retain their conductive pathway even with some flexing, which is essential for static-sensitive environments. If flexibility and ease of handling during installation are top priorities, carbon fiber-loaded ESD tiles offer a balance of flexibility and durability along with effective anti-static protection.